Charmers, welcome back. I'm Val.
And I'm Kelly, and we're here today to educate you on the details of the Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh powder that's featured in your August box.
All right, so let's talk a little bit about this product. A, it's a best-selling product. B, it's weightless. It refreshes the skin and leaves a silky smooth finish. Feel this. I know, it's got the most unique texture. It feels wet on the skin. I just love it. I almost feel like it might have a temperature regulating effect on you if it's really hot outside. I mean, if I put this on when it's hot out, it would just cool my entire body down.
Right.
So this cooling effect is all because of the 50% water glycerin blend.
So another neat thing is that you can use this to reapply and refresh your makeup all day long. So there's no fear of applying too much or over applying.
Okay, Charmers, but you have to remember to close the cap tightly after every use or else you'll lose that mist-like finish. So tell me why you like this powder, Kelly.
So it has ultra fine light reflecting powders that smooth over the skin and it blurs out fine lines and imperfections.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Right? Three main benefits of this powder are that it sets and refreshes your makeup, it blurs imperfections, and there's no photo flashback. So this powder comes in two colors. It comes in this color, which is a sheer creamy beige color. It also comes in this color, which is a golden bronze color.
Sister friendly.
Right?
So our golden bronze setting powder can be used on any skin tone to warm it up. I would just take a little bit of the powder, tap it into the brush, and we're gonna swirl it onto the face, kind of in an E motion. We're gonna dust a little bit on the forehead. We're gonna go underneath the cheekbones, and then we're gonna go underneath the jawline. Blend, blend, blend. Even dust a little bit on the nose as well. All right, Charmers, so don't forget, once you've bronzed your face, you wanna pull the color down to your neck. And if you're wearing something low cut, bring it down to your décolleté too. Yep, nice and even.
Something you can do with the sheer coverage is you can go under the eye and blend out, and it brightens up underneath your eye.
Oh, I gotta try that.
Right? Another thing that you can do is you can take the same brush, this fluffy brush, and go over the eyebrow and just lightly tap it in. After you've finished your brow look, take a mascara wand, spoolie, and brush it, and it helps set your brow.
I like that trick.
Right? It's kind of cool.
Yeah. So we hope you stay flawless this summer with Becca Hydra-Mist and refreshing powder. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye,
Bye,
Charmers.
Charmers.